Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl eToro, aka I See You Glam, and we are back this time with an update video on my MICROLINKS install. Okay, I am going to give you guys a full rundown on how my install went, what I thought of it, longevity, styling, how it held up. Did I hate it? Did I love it? Will I do it again? All that good stuff will be in this video. So if you're interested, make sure you continue watching. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Y'all already know that subscribing to my channel really helps your girl out and lets me know that you guys are really loving the content that you're seeing. And if you're not new to the channel, welcome back. And without further ado, tell your mother, your father, your baby sister, tell your cousin, tell everybody to pull up because you're finna get it cracking. Alright, let's roll. So the infamous MICROLINKS install. If you have not seen my MICROLINKS install video, then make sure you either click the thing I put up here or click it down in my description box. So for those of you who kept up with my MICROLINKS journey and saw that video, you guys know that back in, I want to say it was, I don't know, but the beginning of the summer, your girl went and got MICROLINKS installed. I had a really fresh, dope install, and I'm sure I'll put videos and pictures and all that stuff throughout the video. I had a really fresh, hot popping install that I loved. Okay, y'all loved it too. It was like super natural, super chic, super fab, super fit, super poppin'. And right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you guys, if I had to rate my install experience on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give my overall experience probably like a 7.5. And I run through the reasons why I didn't make it to a full 10. So let's talk longevity. So I got the hair installed, and I'm actually gonna fact check myself right now. So I got my hair installed on July 8th, and I ended up getting it taken down on August 19th. So I had the hair installed for over a month, and I really thoroughly enjoyed it. It lasted and held up pretty well. So I know there were concerns about managing 4C hair in its blown out, like straightened silk press state with an install like that. And I will be honest and say that part of the reason why I don't think the style lasted so long was because of the fact that I had that texture fight with my natural hair. Like my natural curl pattern and the natural poofiness of my natural hair wanted to pop out all the time. And you know, the kinky straight hair was kinky, but it was only so kinky. It didn't fully match my texture, and I didn't want to always apply heat to my hair. So oftentimes what I found myself doing was I would end up putting my hair in a bun. I'd wear my MICROLINKS in buns often, and ponytails. Like anytime you saw me with my install and my hair was in a bun or a ponytail, it's because the hair just didn't feel fresh anymore. It didn't have that nice sleek bounce that you guys saw in that first video that I posted. It just wasn't like giving me vavoom. I ended up wearing the hair for just over a month. And the time that I wore the hair, I did go back to my hairstylist to have the hair washed and silk pressed out, I think once or twice. So each time I went, she would retighten the tracks, and she would just wash my hair, wash the tracks, and silk press out the hair and style it and curl it. And you guys will see pictures and videos all throughout. So you know, whenever I left her salon, I felt like the ish, but like give it like a good week and a half or so, the style, you guys know, like when a silk press starts to get old, it just didn't really bang as well. So I just found myself kind of being stuck sometimes with like, what am I gonna do with my hair? Like, yes, I have the MICROLINKS installed, but it's like kind of like low-key having your real hair out. So you have that pressure of having to like worry about styling and maintaining your hair every single day. What I will say is that it never looked bad. But at the end of me, like nearing the point when I took the hair out, I was like so fed up and so over it because I was wearing buns every single day. So if you plan on getting MICROLINKS installed, just know that it is absolutely a high maintenance style. It's not for people who just want to get up and go. Unless the hair that you're getting matches your natural hair texture in its natural state and you plan on wearing it like that all the time, you're going to have to maintain and take care of your hair. It's not going to be an easy road, just get up, shake and toss your head and go. Like there's going to be proper maintenance that's going to be required of you at home and at salon. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. Another reason why I didn't keep my style in too long was because of my scalp, my dry scalp issues. So for those of you who are new to my channel, you may not know, but I do have psoriasis, and it affects my skin on my body and also the skin on my scalp. And I feel like the issues with my psoriasis on my scalp really flared up over the past like 2-3 months. Obviously I've always had the psoriasis on my scalp, but it's never really been as bad as it was when I had my MICROLINKS installed. I don't know if it was just having my hair out so much, because remember, I've been rocking kind of like natural and like protective styles in my own hair out since April. So, and my hair is not really used to being out in its natural state like that for so long. So it may have been a combination of just my hair being out so much, but my scalp was insanely dry to the point where I actually had to go and see my dermatologist, and she prescribed me some special shampoos and creams that I use on my hair, and now like my hair is completely fine and I don't have those dry scalp problems. But it was like my psoriasis was plaquing on my scalp and kind of like flaking off, almost like dandruff. Really, no matter how much I oiled it, creamed it, greased it, my scalp was dry and it was itchy. So that too kind of played into why I took my hair down so quickly and why I was kind of just like nearing the end, not so much feeling it. So of course, now that my scalp is healed and I don't have the dry scalp issues and all of that anymore, the next time I get my install, I'm sure I would probably wait a little bit longer. But like I said, the styling too played into why I didn't keep it so long. Things to keep in mind if you do plan on getting microlinks, I absolutely beg and implore you, please make sure you visit your hairstylist routinely. Yes, you can maintain the style at home on your own. You can wash the hair at home on your own in between visits. I really do recommend seeing your hairstylist, honestly, if you can, every 2 to 3 weeks. Maybe every 3 weeks. 2 weeks is pushing it. I'm high maintenance, so I went like every 2 weeks. And I never washed it on my own at home. But when you go see your hairstylist, what she'll do is she'll actually retighten the links that are connecting your hair to the track, and that's super important. You don't want your hair and the links to grow out so much that there's sort of this tension. Now you have this long strand of tension pulling, not at the root where it's strong, but kind of pulling near closer to the ends of your hair where it's not as, the bond isn't as strong, and there's more opportunity for your hair to break. And we never want our hair to break, okay? We do these styles, even though our natural hair is out, we still want to make it as protective as possible. So seeing your hairstylist regularly is definitely a must. But yeah, other than that, there really wasn't anything I hated about the style. Cons, I would say, is just having to style my hair every single day. Like, I'm so used to wearing wigs. Like, obviously, I'm so used to wearing wigs that I'm just used to that, like, throw it on, style it a little bit, shake it up and go. But like with the microlinks, you really have to take tender time and care because your real hair is out. I loved the microlinks. Like, they were so poppin'. Everyone thought it was my hair. I've gotten so many compliments, so many requests, so many questions on like, where'd you get them done? How'd you get them done? My kinky straight hair has been flying off the roof. If you guys don't know, I do sell the hair that I wore in my install video. These are actually the tracks that came out of my head. I do sell the kinky straight hair. You can buy them online on my website at www.icuglam.com. If you are interested, if you have any questions, let me know. I wanted to keep this video really short, sweet, and to the point because really, for me, rating a hairstyle 7.5 out of 10 is really high. And I just wanted to give you guys an update and kind of just show you guys how I wore the hair, how I styled it, how it was good to me, how I loved it, and how I partially hated it. Do I plan on ever getting microlinks installed again? Yes, I absolutely do. I think the next time I get them installed, I will do a lot longer of a length, so maybe like 20 inches or so, just to kind of see and feel and see if there's a difference in the experience with them that way. Like I said, my psoriasis scalp issues really threw me off with this install, so I had to really treat that and get it taken down. My health comes first, my hair health comes first, my bodily health comes first. Always remember that. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, learned something. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them for me down below. Send me a message, follow me on Instagram so you could really keep up with my day-to-day hairstyles. If I do end up getting the microlinks again, Instagram will see it first, so make sure you follow me there. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.